Hello, it's Chai from Lunchboxable. This is actually an unboxing, which is now a review because I already used this box a couple of times. This was brought by my mother-in-law from the States. Since this box isn't available in Germany, I have been really eyeing on this one and so elated when I got it. So thanks, Mimi. This is the BENTGO stainless steel leak resistance lunchbox. As you can see, this is very sturdy, cute, and eco-friendly. It also comes in different colors, but my daughter chooses a gray one or a silver one. Stainless steel is the better option because it is non-toxic, convenient, and sustainable. It has kid-friendly latches, easy to open and close, especially for small kids ages 3 to 6. This is also good for adults or teens. So it has smooth edges and it is made of premium grade stainless steel and BPA free. This, when you open it, it needs a little bit of practice. It's new, so I won't consider it as fail. Along the way, it loosens up. It has also a bonus non-toxic silicone container. In this biggest section of the box, it can contain up to 2 1/4 cup of food. In this section, it can hold 1 1/3 cup of food, and the upper part 1/2 cup of food. The lid has a leak-resistant silicone seal that prevents leaking from the compartments. I have tried yogurt and dips, also fruit juices. It stays in each compartment. This weighs almost 800 grams, slightly heavier than the BENTGO plastic lunchbox. This lunchbox is also dishwasher safe. Very difficult to say, but honestly, hand washing it is very easy and fast, so I would recommend doing that. Here I have tried different kinds of breads. Basically, it's big enough for a regular sandwich, or a wrap, or a burrito. So guys, comparing it to the Yumbox Presto, they're pretty identical. They also have similar characteristic. Only the Presto has more compartments, but smaller sections. Here you got 5 from the Presto and 4 or 3 from the Yumbox. So I hope I helped you out, and I have a few lunchbox videos you can check using BENTGO Steel Lunchbox. Salamat for watching. See ya!